Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Sandboxaq. We're going to talk about the pros and the cons. Let's get started. Now you see Sandboxaq AQ is a company operating at the intersection of artificial intelligence and quantum technologies. It is spun out of the Alphabet, Google's parent company. It focuses on developing software solutions that leverage quantum mechanics and AI to solve complex problems for enterprises and governments, even before large-scale fault-tolerant quantum computers are widely available. Now, when it comes to the pros, it helps to address pressing challenges because it tackles significant issues in areas like post-quantum, cybersecurity, drug discovery, material science, and navigation, offering solutions to problems currently difficult or impossible for classical computer alone. And when it comes to second pro, it has quantum-inspired and AI-driven approach. The company utilizes a hybrid approach combining quantum-inspired algorithm and AI, specifically large quantitative models (LQMs), to deliver practical application that can run on existing classical hardware, providing value today. These are the pros I mentioned earlier. It has notable contribution to post-quantum cryptocurrency. That was cryptography. They have actively contributed to the development and standardization of post-quantum cryptography algorithms, crucial for securing data against future quantum attacks. So, they also have experienced team and strong backing because they have roots in Google and backed by prominent investors. The company has a team with deep expertise in relevant fields and the financial resources to pursue ambitious goals. Now, when it comes to the cons, it has this complexity of technology, of course. Market education is actually needed because the field of AQ is still emerging, so it will need to invest heavily in educating potential clients about the benefits and practical application of their technology. Then there's competition in rapidly evolving space. The AI and quantum landscapes are highly competitive, with both established tech giants and other startups vying for market share. Then it depends on emerging technology is also a con. While they offer solutions for today, their long-term vision is tied to development and adoption of quantum technologies, which still face uncertainties and challenges. Then lastly, brand recognition. Compared to some larger, more established tech companies, Sandboxaq may have limited brand recognition, potentially impacting initial market penetration. So hope you found this video on the quick review on Sandboxaq, the pros and the cons, useful.